Here is one way to make miniature dust bunnies for small displays. These are made with yarn bits and artificial snow held together with glue instead of static electricity, like the real fluffy clumps of dust and other stuff found under beds, under furniture, in closets or attics. These are instead clean mini replicas. The materials are shown and they're listed below. To make the dust, cut tiny pieces from a fuzzy yarn, thread, floss, or use flocking. Mix that with small artificial snow. You could use the mixture as it is and sprinkle it in miniature displays and scenes. Or, to keep it easier to clean, glue the mixture on tiny bits of paper. I used a paper punch because it was easier. And then you can cut it or tear it into small pieces like 1/8 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. To make the rabbit-looking clump of dust, glue together or sew 2 3mm gray pom-poms, or you could use felt pieces. Then glue stiffen a piece of thin yarn. When it's dry, cut it into 2 1 1/8 inch ears. Assemble the bunny by gluing ears on the top end of one of the pom-poms. Glue a circle, piece of artificial snow for the face, and then another one for the tail in the back. Glue 2 micro bead eyes. When that's dry, glue the bunny on top of a piece of paper. Then apply little bits of glue to the bunny and sprinkle on the yarn artificial snow dust mix. Now you can place your clean dust bunnies under beds or in other areas. I hope you enjoyed my version of making miniature dust bunnies. Thank you so much for watching.